Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Driven Decisions. So in this channel, we are just trying to focus more onto the cutting edge technologies like data science, AI, cloud, like Docker or any kind of new technologies which can help to take much more better decisions using data. So in this video, what I'm going to tell you is that you can learn all the different kind of data science skills pretty easily, like totally free of cost. You don't have to spend any money, and you also get uh, like you also get certificate. So you can show in your LinkedIn profile, in your resume, to the potential employers to get hired as a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or deep learning engineer. So this resource is called the cognitive AI. It is a pretty good resource, and it has come from the IBM. IBM is producing those contents for everyone else, and everyone can learn it totally free of cost. So it's a really good learning platform. It's like a Udemy or YouTube from where you can learn. But in Udemy, you have to give some money, small amount of money to get certification. But for YouTube, you will not get any certificate, but you can learn from there. But over here, you get both. Like you get to learn a lot of new technologies, and at the same time, you can get a certificate out of it. So in this, you can just see like here you can learn leading edge technologies like blockchain, data science, AI, cloud, serverless, Kubernetes, and more. So why learn with us? So there are a lot of benefits you can find from here. So what I've done is that I've just search and find what are the things you need to learn to get certified as a data scientist, and also use those certificate to get hired. So first of all, to be a data scientist, what you need to know, you need to understand the basic things like introduction to data science. So in this course, you will understand what are the different things in data science, how it is applicable, like you will have a general understanding of data science. So it is only 3 hours long. This course, you can just take it at any time you're free. So after this course, introduction to data science, you can go to the Python for data science. Why I'm recommending Python? Because using Python you can do a lot of things. Like data science can be done, especially the machine learning can be done using two different languages mainly. One is the Python, another one is the R. But R is constrained only into the machine learning field. But if for the deep learning, you need to understand Python better, because a lot of good deep learning libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, all of them have been written in like we can access those using Python. So in that sense, Python is much more better choice. And apart from data science, you can do a lot of different things in Python. Like if you want to go for web development, a lot of different things you can do from here. So this is a Python basics, Python data structure, Python programming. Lot of different things you'll find from here uh, using that course. And after that, you can go for statistics, because that is very important. You need to understand the statistics. Always remember that, like data science come from the statistics. Without the statistics, you will not understand the data better. And without the good statistic knowledge, it's very difficult to understand data and how to interpret the data using different tools. You can use different tools, but to understand the data better, you need to have test statistics. It's a very small course, like only 3 hours long, but you'll have a good understanding of different things. Like uh, just like there are type of data like mean, median, mode, center tendency, probability, like a lot of different things. Cross validations, correlations. What is correlations? So and a lot of different things you can find from here. So this is a statistics course. After completing statistics, you'll have a good understanding of data science and all different things. And now you should go for machine learning with data science with Python. Basically, it's a 3 hour long course, small course, but you can understand a lot of different things. What is the supervised learning? What is unsupervised learning? What is k-means clustering, and all these different algorithms we used to use in to understand data better, to predict something in the future. These sort of things. So it's a pretty good course. And after that, if you more interested in uh, different things, you can go for using like machine learning with dimensionality reduction. So dimensionality reduction is basically a methodology which can be applied in data. Like in the before you apply the data into the machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm, we have to make the data better for the model to run. Like you have to sort the data, you have to clean data, you have to do some feature engineering, different sort of things. And especially for the like machine learning part, if there are a lot of collinear data, in that case you need to you need to combine. Like if it's a collinear data, it's very difficult to manage. Like the model could not run properly, or the accuracy will be not be very good. So in that case, the much more better sense to combine those collinear data into one singular data and then apply those into the machine learning model. In that case, the dimensionality reduction could help. Like it's combined different methodologies like PCA, principal component analysis, factor analysis. So using those methodologies, it helps to reduce the dimension of the data and use those into machine learning models. It is much more better approach to do. And after that, uh, uh, as of now, you understand totally. Like you understand that what is the data science, what is the machine learning things, how to apply different algorithms, what are the different algorithms, all the stuffs you have learned as of machine learning. And that is more than sufficient for most of the part. But today you need to understand deep learning better, because deep learning is a future. It's a non-linear models which you can apply in any kind of situation, and it is performing much more better compared to the machine learning models. So if you want to go much more deeper into that field, you can go from here. Like you can just see this course, that is the deep learning fundamentals. So in this deep learning fundamentals, you will understand what is the deep learning, like what are different things, like what are the neural networks, how to build neural networks, uh, like three reasons to go deep, like what are the different things altogether combined for the deep learning. So you'll understand it better from here. It's only 3 hours long course. And after that you can go for uh, like deep learning with TensorFlow. Like TensorFlow is made by Google, and it's a really good framework to build like to build really good data like deep learning models. So it's a very good like it's a really good like basically framework or package which you can use in Python. And just to let you know that if you know the JavaScript, like you can also be able to use the TensorFlow. There is a package called TensorFlow JS that you can use if you know JavaScript to do a lot of different things in your browser around. It's a fascinating thing. And after that, if you if you're more interested, then definitely the cloud is a future, because everything is today cloud, and in the future will be cloud. Everything is like service based, so you need to understand the cloud if you excel in this field. So you can learn different cloud technologies from here. Like IBM have their own IBM cloud, and over here you'll have a good understanding of the basic cloud things, like what is the cloud uh, requirement, like why cloud have started, how the future perspective of the cloud, and all the different things you can learn from here. So a lot of different things you can try, but if you just follow this path, I think it's much more better for you, and you can show those certificates in your LinkedIn profile, in your resume, and also create a lot of different projects out of it. That is more important. Now, learning is the one part, but apply those learning in your day-to-day life to help community, help people. Using that knowledge is the most important thing. And if you can do that, I believe it will be much more better to be a data scientist for you guys. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.